To find the Micromedics Neofax Pediatrics database, go to Library and scroll down to the list of databases. In drug information, we'll scroll down to Micromedics and Neofax Pediatrics is right here. If you have a pop-up blocker, you may have to accept the options to view the website. We'll just click here. And there are 3 different sections. There's drug monographs, there's enteral formulas, and dosing calculators. And there are 2 modes, neonatal and pediatric. Up in the upper right, you'll see a training center with links to videos. When you're finished, please remember to log out.